Hey guys, welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name is Navi and I recently bought this Kia EV6 and I'm going to show you some hidden features. So let me show you what I'm talking about today. So this is the normal layout. As you can see, when you just enter the car, you see this kind of view or this kind of view. What you can do is you can go to EV, and once you click on EV, you see this very cool graphic which shows you your car as well as shows you nearby charging stations, as well as it shows you the range, and it also shows you if you turn off your climate controls, what happens. I mean, it basically increases your range. So it also tells you that if you turn off the cooling, which I wouldn't recommend doing that, but if you really want that extra miles or extra range, what you can do is you can turn off your climate control and it will give you another 5% of the range or something like that. Okay, so this view is really good. I think we all know about that. One cool thing is you can also click on this car. So once I click on this car, you will see that it gives you all the battery options, as well as it gives you more information about your car's battery status, and as well as some other options. So as you can see, one of the option is currently it is AC charger. It will take like 7 hours to complete the charging. Electricity use, which is obviously currently not available, but EV history. So this shows you the history for your last rides, what happened, like how much energy did you use and how long was your ride. As you can see, I just drove it yesterday for very long time, actually 145 miles, then 34, and then 124. So close to, I would say, 250 300 miles, right? So more than 300 miles that I did yesterday, and it shows you that I was averaging 3.9 miles per kilowatt hour in my first attempt, and 3.5 3.8. You can see I was consistently doing 4.1 4.3 4.3. So this car is really good when you're going for a short trips, let's say grocery and all. So all these 7 miles, 12 mile trips, you would see that it is giving me really good mileage, which is 4.3 miles per kilowatt. I think that is like on the higher end. And whenever I'm doing like a longer rides, you can see I'm averaging about 3.8 to 3.9. So this is how you can see the energy use of your car, and this option was here when you click on the car sign. So it shows you all this information. So if you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.